Now, electricity distributor Kenya Power has appointed the head of its supply chain unit, Bernard Ngugi, as the company's chief executive officer and managing director. He takes over from Jared Othieno, who has been the acting chief executive since July last year, following the exit of CEO Ken Terus. Now, Terus, his predecessor Ben Chumo, and a number of other senior managers of the power monopoly were in 2018 charged with conspiring to commit economic crimes and abuse of office. Ngugi, an insider at the energy firm, having served for more than 3 decades, now faces the tough task of turning around the fortunes of the company, whose image has been tainted by graft cases and has posted back-to-back drop in profits over the past 2 years.
His area of expertise is in the area of financial revenue, accounting, internal audit, and supply chain management, an area that in the board's view is really very critical and core to the functions of Kenya Power at this point in time. We've had diminishing revenues, we had poor revenue collection, we had serious financial issues that required to be addressed. So the board of directors took it upon themselves to probably give that expertise a chance.
My immediate focus really is to lead this company towards improved profitability, while ensuring that this business fulfills its socio-economic purpose and mandate. And this will be achieved by implementing our 5-year strategic plan